dkdynamics presents Spider Robo.
Hello friends, you're welcome to the new session of dkdynamics, and as you know, I'm coming with wonderful projects. My R&D team always searching a wonderful tech toys around the world. So one of them is the wind beast, and this is very interesting kinematic sculpture, and this is made by different linkages, and this is linkages are designed by the Theo Johnson, and these linkages are connected to the center cam shaft, and this is called the cam shaft or called the crank shaft. And when the crank shaft is moving, the legs are attached with the crank to the shaft is moving, and different linkages are moving and make one of the call as the planar mechanism, and this is called a single degree movement, and in this way they are moving in a particular coordination to generate the mimic of movement of animal leg. And these legs have the very special advantage because they are moving in sandy areas, on the sand beaches, and in uneven surfaces very easily than the conventional tires or wheels. So it is very easy to just assemble them, and these parts are available in the form of the kit. Is a 3D printed kit which is available on dkdynamics and also available on the other shops, and this is powered by the wind, and this is a propeller. When the propeller rotates by the wind, the gear mechanism increases the torque, and this increased torque rotate the cam shaft and move the legs and generate the particular movement to move in a direction. So I am demonstrate how it move. So this is very interesting sculpture. I am using this fan for generating the wind, and this simple or brushless fan, and we are just giving the air, sufficient air. It moves like the beast, which have many legs, and they have 6 legs. And once again friends, just watch the movement of the legs. All legs are just moving in a perfect harmony and perfect combination to generate the forward motion, and the power is from wind. So this is called wind powered. And this is the front view, friends, you just see. Next friend, I am introduced with another project. This is also based on kinematics, and this is my dream project, and I'm working a lot over this project. And this is a Spider Robo, which have the 8 legs, and we have the set of the gears. You see the set of the gears, and these gears are powered by the center gear. This is called as the driver gear, and these are the driven gears. And these we have the 4 sets of the gears, 1 2 3 4 on one side leg, and these are called the lateral legs. And we have the linkages, or we can say the movement linkages, and they also generate the reciprocating motion, and this is converted into further the circular motion, and in this way we are mimic the movement of the spider. So now I am demonstrate how it works. I am using this acrylic legs. All are laser cut, highly precise, legs, and this is my first prototype, and I'm making the giant spider, which have many features such as the laser targeting and the camera and other things. You can operate both by the radio control or by the joystick, and we are using the balls. These balls provide the friction on the surface, and also this is moving on any unhostile surfaces, uneven surfaces, and sands and other surfaces easily. And they have a unique advantage over the other conventional robots. And this is also used for surveillance. We are just installing the gun as well as the camera and other things, which is very helpful for our military. And now I'm demonstrate how it moves. I'm connecting with a battery, 6-volt battery, and this is a control called joystick simple control. So I'm controlling this. For more details, if you have any query, please mail me or visit my site www.dkdynamics.com, or also visit my Facebook page, and I'm trying to help you in any parameter. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm coming back with more projects. Until then, goodbye.